Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create your own Flash token on the ERC20 network. You'll need about 0.05 Ethereum. After creation, you'll get fully transferable tokens that you can use for trading, gambling, and other platforms. Let's start. Open the description of my video and copy the code. Then go to remix.ethereum.org. Create a new file named USDT.sol and paste the code you copied from the description. Don't forget to remove Flash USDT from the first line of the code. Next, open the Solidity compiler, choose version 0.6.6 plus, and compile the contract. Then go to Deploy and Run Transactions, select Wallet Connect, and connect your wallet. For the token name, enter USDT. For the symbol, enter ERC20 and click Transact. On every transaction confirmation, round the value up to the next whole number. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Then go to the deployed contracts, copy the contract address, and send 0.05 Ethereum to it. Once the balance is visible, you can click Start and confirm that transaction. After that, click Withdraw and confirm the final transaction. If everything went well, open MetaMask. The creation should be successful, and the tokens will be ready for withdrawal. Thanks for watching. If you run into any issues during creation, reach out to me on Telegram.